Alright, let's show this position from the front. Here is it. We are both on the right leg. You may hold her side if you want. And we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On beautiful and sweet, I move my arm. Once again, on 1, 2, 3, 4 is a position. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on 5, 6, 7, 8, there's a gesture. I may touch her hair and hug her a little bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I grasp her right arm. I lean on my left leg. She turns around me, taking simple steps, and I hold her in so-called frame. It's quickly. Look. Pam, pam, 1, 2, 3, 4, beautiful and sweet. Then she turns around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I stand still. She turns me to the left using centrifugal force. I take this swing and I turn along with her. But the impression is that I don't move and she runs. But at the beginning I help her. Once again. I found a girl. Beautiful and sweet. Gesture with the left hand. Up from my elbow. Then I stand on my left leg. I twirl her and she runs around me. You can make 1 or 2 such turnovers. To help my partner turn, I make small steps standing in one place. Look. Once again. Tin, 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 tin. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. It may be one turn. We've made 1. Let's see once again. Pam, pam, pam. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're making 2 turnovers now. Sorry, we end here, because we need to stand like that back to the audience. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's show the version with just 1 turnover. Ta, 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 ta. That's 1 turn. Or ta, 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 ta. 2 turnovers. Then my partner goes under my left arm, starts from the left leg, goes to the side, while I take a step with a right leg to the right. We stretch the right arm and hold our left hands. And then I turn to the audience and I turn my partner to the right with my left arm. And we've got such position. And here the rest of the stanza goes. Once again. We've made this. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There may be just 1 turnover. 5, 6, 7, 1 turnover, and 8. We take this position. This tap position is that I have my own track here, free to move, and so does my partner. I hold her left side, she keeps her arm on my left shoulder, and then the big square, slow tempo follows. Let's repeat this part for the last time, from the beginning. Let's start, and I found a girl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, beautiful and sweet, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we open, 7, 8, position. She makes a turn to the right on her right leg, I kinda close the door, left leg and I join the legs. And we end in such position. I stand in front to the audience, she is back to the audience. Okay, last time a little bit faster. From the left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 together with her to the left side, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I found the girl, 2, 3, 4, beautiful and sweet gesture, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one turnover. 5, 6, step away, closing the door, 7, 8. We can proceed to the next part.